Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the display mode in the 7 Deadly Sins Origins. Let's begin by opening Settings. From there, navigate to Graphics. Here under Display, you can change the screen mode or the display mode. Here you can choose between Windowed and Borderless Fullscreen. As you can see, the changes are applied automatically. If you do not click Confirm, the values will be reverted to the baseline, to the previous values, that is. You can always cancel those changes, but I'll go back to actually Borderless Fullscreen. But you do you. And once you make your changes, press the X button. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.